Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to install Python and start a Jupyter Notebook. Go to Google and type download Python. This will take you to the first result page here. Go inside the page. Now you can see a button called Download Python Install Manager. Click on this button. The download will begin. Once it finishes, double-click the downloaded file to start the Python installation wizard. You can see the button here, Install Python, and also make sure to click Launch when ready. Click Install Python. I will say yes to these messages. Choose where to get apps anywhere. Let's close this one. And I'll say yes to this message as well. Install current version of CPython. View online help. I don't want to view the online help file now. I will say no to this message. After that, what you can do is you can open the terminal. In order to open the terminal, in search bar, you can type CMD. This will, click on this. This will open the terminal. To see if Python is installed on your computer, you can type Python space 2 dashes and version. So I have Python 3.14.4 installed. To install Jupyter Notebook, you can type Python -m space pip space install space notebook. Okay, this gives a message. A new release of pip is available. Currently, I have 26.0.1. The new version is 26.1. To update, run this command. So I will simply copy this one, Control C, and paste it here, Control V, to update pip. Okay. Now, to open Jupyter Notebook, you can type Python space -m space notebook. So Python space m, this means run Python interpreter. And notebook means tells Python to run the installed Jupyter Notebook module. Always this means -m means run a library module as a script. We always get this command, something like Python space -m, and here we type the something that we want to do. Okay, when I press enter, this will open the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, in the next video, we will see how to open Jupyter Notebook and run some basic Python scripts.